Hello, girls. I am here to remind you about the importance of taking B complex vitamins. B complex vitamins are the youthful vitamins. It has so many anti-aging benefits to help the body function properly. Without B complex vitamins, your body won't be able to function the way it's supposed to function. B complex vitamins are essential for your hair. The texture of your hair will be different. The hair shaft of the hair will be healthy without drying and breaking. Also, it helps with your skin. The same thing. The texture of your skin will be different. And also, the folate and B complex vitamins helps with the cell turnover, and it helps also with brain function together with B12. B12 helps with the brain function. It helps to have a healthy brain, and also it gives you the energy that you need. And the niacinamide and the B complex vitamins helps with the stimulation of NAD, and as well as niacin helps with the stimulation of NAD. And these B complex vitamins are water soluble, so you have to take it in the morning. Because it helps with energy, it helps with your nervous system. So when you go out there and work, your body will have more energy, and you won't be able to feel that tiredness. You won't be able to be so exhausted when you arrive home, because throughout the day you are facing a lot of free radicals, the environment, and on top of that you have to work. So B complex vitamins are very necessary for the body to work properly. I was introduced by my parents when I was a tiny little girl about B complex. They will emphasize to me about the importance of B complex. So having taken these since I was a tiny girl, and I do it to this day. I take the injections or orally. So B complex vitamins, to take it orally, I recommend the methyl B complex, because they are much more absorbable and also liposomal. So methyl B complex liposomal vitamins. The liposomal is a delivery system that will help to absorb the B complex in your system. So also, the B complex vitamins are really essential for the elasticity of the skin due to the content of niacinamide, and also helps with the pigmentation. So B complex vitamins does a lot to your body. It has incredible anti-aging benefits. So I was telling in the video from last night that B complex vitamins are so essential for the body. You are born with a box of nutrients, a box of all good compounds that are important to function properly. And so when that box of nutrients run out, that's when aging will occur. B complex vitamins takes care of your DNA. It will prevent the degeneration of the DNA. So therefore, the telomeres will be benefit, because the B complex vitamins protects the DNA. And so I will put a photo of the B complex vitamins, and I will put information on where to purchase, and make sure it's methyl liposomal B-complex vitamins are so essential for you as you're getting older. You don't want the box of nutrients. You don't want the box of nutrients to be depleted. You need to take care of your body with nutrients, especially when you get older, because those nutrients run out faster when you are older. The body degrades faster when you get older. So this is the video for today, and I hope this information is helping you. And don't forget to share, subscribe to this video, and I send you blessings, and I will see you in the next video.